Hello everyone, my name is Jeshin Kareen and today I'll be presenting our paper topic Virtual, Augmented and Mixed Reality Interventions for Physical Activity, a systematic review. Before I proceed, I would like to thank you for giving us this opportunity. I would also like to thank our supervisor, Dr. Rita Orji, for believing in us and making us a part of the Persuasive Computing Lab. The COVID-19 pandemic introduced new challenges in maintaining physical health. In recent years, digital interventions have played an essential role in helping people to maintain their physical activity. This study analyzes VR, AR, and MR apps for encouraging physical activity, identifying gaps and potential future directions for user experience improvement. The goal of the review was to investigate the range of virtual reality and augmented reality technology, designs, and applications for enhancing physical exercise. We had two research questions. The first one was, what are the persuasive strategies that contributed significantly to changing people's behavior towards improving their physical activities, and how were they applied? The second research question was, what is the impact of equipment choice on the effectiveness of the intervention regarding promoting physical activity in people? We used ACM, Google Scholar, PubMed, IEEE Explore as our search engines. The keywords used were augmented, mixed virtual reality, persuasive, influence, tool, physical activity, motion, movement, and games. The selection criteria process was reading the title of paper, review or abstract, and year of publication. Study results were extracted from 39 papers using a coding sheet. The coding sheet consisted of the following categories of data: year of publication, problem domain, gender distribution, type of headset used, venue, region, and theories. On the right is our prism diagram showing the entire process. Our results show that all the 39 papers focus on using an intervention system built with either AR, VR, or MR to promote physical activity in people. Out of 39 papers, virtual reality was the most popular intervention for physical activity, with 74% of the papers using virtual reality, followed by 19% using augmented reality and only 7% adopting mixed reality. We analyzed the distribution of the papers based on the targeted audience. To do so, we categorized the targeted audience into four groups: children ages 4 to 14, youth ages 15 to 25, adults ages 26 to 64, and elderly ages 65 and above. Most papers did not target a specific age group and were open to the general public or people living with disabilities, and one study did not specify both the targeted audience or age group. A total of 19 papers targeted people within our age categories: children, youth, adult, and elderly. Our results show that sport, exercise, and exergaming categories are the most common in the considered articles. Specifically, 18 papers belong to the exergame category, while 12 papers describe studies under the sport and exercise domain. On the other side, none of the papers describe the use of any physical activities from the housework and gardening domain. Four papers described a study within the light outdoor activity domain, and five papers described a study under the active travel domain. To answer our first research question, which stated, what are the persuasive strategies that contributed significantly to changing people's behavior towards improving their physical activities, and how were they applied? We looked at the various persuasive strategies used in the exergaming domain, which was the most prevalent in all the papers we reviewed. According to our findings, 20 strategies were used in the exergaming domain, with self-monitoring being the most popular. Self-monitoring was a key component of VR, AR, and MR exercise games that were reviewed. Users of these systems were obliged by their design to complete tasks that either the designer or a user willingly established. To answer our second research question, which stated, what is the impact of equipment choice on the effectiveness of the intervention regarding promoting physical activity in people? We categorized technologies used in the intervention systems in each paper we reviewed into immersion technologies such as headset, goggles, projected screens, and other technologies. So, we had 67% of personal computer, 26% mobile intervention, and 7% web intervention. Technology choices vary depending on the target audience the intervention system is designed for. More VR, AR, VR intervention were based on PC installed applications. The strength of VR is VR technology can create a virtual environment that feels like reality to the end users. It has shown benefits of reduced anxiety and increased entertainment among participants during an exercise session. Users can access AR applications like other mobile applications they are familiar with. The weaknesses of VR include the prohibitive cost of VR, MR hardware and applications make them more experimental tools than household items. VR hardware are often limited to a lab or special rooms. So, in conclusion, physical activity improves one's quality of life and provides both immediate and long-term health benefits. Virtual reality, augmented reality, and mixed reality have been shown to be effective tools for anxiety reduction and a variety of medical treatments. These technologies can also be used to increase physical activity and reduce the risk of developing many diseases associated with living a sedentary lifestyle. Our preliminary findings are encouraging and point to a promising technological future in which users of such technology are expected to remain healthy, both mentally and physically. Future VR, AR, MR interventions should look into skill building goals via systems that provide dynamic feedback to the target audience, as well as experience and product features that allow them to be active participants in promoting their products. Thank you.